first spread to Brazil's northern state of Bahia in early 2015, it was considered a mild infection, as most Zika virus infections are asymptomatic. However, it was soon linked to a sharp increase in the number of babies born with microcephaly, which can lead to abnormally small heads in developing babies. Brazil was hard hit by the epidemic, with the number of suspected cases standing at over 90,000 in just 3 months. The WHO subsequently declared Zika a public health emergency of international concern. Although the connection between infection with the virus and birth defects was yet to be established, the level of concern over the outbreak was high.
Brazil launched a mega campaign against the Zika virus. As such, 2015 and 2016 saw a big decline in the numbers of pregnancies, as people came to realize the risks of conceiving babies at a time.
Brazil's efforts to contain the virus also led the WHO to lift the global emergency designation.
Zika came at a time when Brazil was gripped by spiraling political and economic crisis. Dilma Rousseff, the then Brazilian president, was stripped of her presidential duties and impeached. There was outcry over a corruption scandal involving a state-controlled oil company and politicians across the country. And the economy had plunged into a deep recession.
Analysts predicted that the tourism sector would take the biggest initial hit from Zika, especially as the Rio Olympics were just around the corner and expected to attract millions of visitors. But did the global health emergency jeopardize tourism in Brazil? According to the country's Ministry of Tourism, Brazil saw a record number of international tourists in 2016, boosted by the Olympics. Plus, the pessimistic predictions of the effects on Brazil's economy didn't become reality, as the GDP rose in 2017 after years of decline. Despite concerns that China's economy could collapse or be hit hard due to the COVID-19 outbreak, observers in Brazil believe the economic fallouts are temporary.
China's all-out efforts to contain the coronavirus are significant for both Chinese and international financial markets. I remember that China released 2,000 reports within 15 days searching for people who had close contact with the infected. That was a very positive move, injecting confidence into financial markets.
Domestic consumption has fallen amid the outbreak, but the digital economy like online education, food delivery and e-commerce has boomed. Analysts say the impact of COVID-19 on the economy will be largely cushioned, especially as business operations continue to resume. And the coronavirus will pass, just like Zika. Peng Zhe, CGTN, Sao Paulo.